Hi guys, good morning once again. So we just freshed up near a petrol bunk and we're feeling fresh now. I think the alcohol came down.
Yeah.
Yes. So now we are heading to Kondaveedu. The Ghat Road will start in a moment. So first thing is we are damn hungry. We'll go to Kondaveedu Fort, see the view there, come back and we'll see what is the best we can spend the day.
వారు చూడు ఎట్లా వస్తున్నాడు బస్ సైకిల్ అనుకుంటున్నారు.
సో బేసిక్గా ఏంటంటే భయ్ ఇక్కడ చాలా కొండలు ఉంటాయి, దర్ మెనీ మౌంటైన్స్. సో ఆ మౌంటైన్ పైన ఒకడు ఉండేవాడు, వాడిని వాడు అనేవాడు. సో కొండ పైన వాడు అన్నారు కాబట్టి కొండవీడు అన్నారు, వాడనలేక. సో ద మ్యాన్ ఆన్ ద మౌంటైన్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ కొండవీడు. So now we are going to that mountain Veedu. So we are on the way to Kondaveedu now, and we stopped at this place called Blue Star Tiffins, and we are ordering now dosa, and they also serve nice puri. So let's see, let's try and eat because we are very hungry. Anna first item 3 dosalu oka puri.
But also do note they call it as attu here.
Yes,
It's the same thing as dosa.
This is puri. So meanwhile the dosa is getting ready. Let's have this puri and see how it is. Actually it's little different when compared to the regular puri that we have in Hyderabad.
So what do you say? Is it a thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Alright, so he says thumbs up.
So please try it guys.
Right, I think you should try this. It does taste good. It is very, very yummy. There's a little bit of sour flavor to it, which we don't have generally with dosa. So it adds to the already yummy taste that it has.
Iraq. The road is very horrible for around like 500 meters. So it's you have to drive very carefully. The big stones, and the road is, I think it's under construction or it's not even looked after. But all the road is fine. But just be careful when you come across this 500 meters after the Kondaveedu Ghat. Finally, we reached Kondaveedu. So you can see there is a signboard also. So this Kondaveedu fort or this area is built by P. Vemireddy. So it is a Reddy kingdom. So let's get inside and see what else we have here.
These are the remains of the fort that was originally built in 1300s or 1400s by someone named Vema Reddy.
Vema Reddy. There's some door and there is some.
Let's go and explore.
Let's see what's inside that monument.
Let's hope that we find a box full of gold so that we can become rich overnight.
Yes. One of the ancient remains that we can see here. It's actually right below the mountain. Let's get inside and see.
There's one more door.
It's very dark, but let's get in. So see, there's one chamber we crossed and came inside.
So we just hope that there are no ghosts here. If you find them, we'll let you know.
Yeah, it's kind of a ghost adventure now.
This looks very spooky to me.
Yeah, I think this is right below the mountain. Someone, please give some light. Yeah, it's so dark in. Actually, it was
Can you just show some light here?
below the mountain, and you can see the voices resonating. So it's too dark. I don't know what place. We don't know actually what place this is. Oh, and we came out. Let's see around if we have something. So this is the Kondaveedu Ghat Road. So if you see the view, the many curves and all, you can come here by either two-wheeler or four-wheeler or cycle also. But be careful, the stones are falling down.